So across the street from me today, where they're taking this one out of here. This is the one that was pretty far gone. I actually looked at it to buy it, and it was rat infested and full of mold. And so what's happened here is the park has bought this one, and you can see it's getting demolished here today. And so it'll be going out, and they're going to bring a brand new one in, get it all set up, and then it will be for sale. It's a hot day today here. It's plus 35 Celsius. He's only been at this for about 10 minutes. So they'll be putting them in those transfer bins there. He's loading up those transfer bins. And he's taking them to the landfill. I'm not sure how that's going to work. I believe that they're going to have to separate out the drywall and stuff. I don't think it can all go into the one place. So everybody around here is glad to see that thing go. I'm not sure how my audio is going to be here. That machine's pretty loud. We'll just watch them for a few more minutes here. Try and pick up the floor there, I guess now, or I was cleaning the floor. There'll be a lot of metal underneath there that will go to recycling, so they'll get it down to the metal frame. Yeah, he's going to start peeling off the floor joists there now. He's been working away at it there for, I don't know, an hour or so, that machine, and you can see he's about almost halfway through. Kind of interesting to see this all happening here. So if you've been watching some of our videos, you know that that one beside it, that was another old one that was taken out, and that home there, that's a brand new one. And so that one took a while to sell, but it was quite pricey. And so some new owners have moved in there, and they're starting to work on fence. You can see kind of beside the excavator there, some poles where they're starting to work on a fence, and so they're going to, I think they're going to be redoing that deck there and redoing those steps and make something a little bit nicer. The guy that did that project kind of cheaped out in the end there, but so anyway, it's going to be interesting to see what they're going to bring in here for a new one. Get that all set up and cleaned up, and that's going to help us when we go to sell ours. hot summer day here in the middle of August, Okanagan Valley. So there you can start to see that metal frame. He's driving, his excavator's driving in between the metal frame. So he's just going to keep working his way across there, down the length of it. I wasn't sure if he was going to get that whole thing in those two dumpsters there or not, but looks like he is going to. Yeah, so he's just getting out to straighten out a few things. Alright folks, so that's a look at what you do with one that's too far gone to renovate. This is the way we get rid of them here. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Bye bye.